I welcome you to this esteemed seminar on development in the Middle East, lessons and opportunities for Pakistan. I am honored to be standing before you as the chief editor of News, an organization dedicated to promoting understanding, dialogue and cooperation across borders. Since the launch of News on 8th March this year, we have strived to provide our audience with authentic, reliable information and insightful analysis. Recognizing the rising political polarization in our country, where major media outlets often exhibit bias in their reporting, vnews.pk aims to maintain fairness, balance, and accuracy in its coverage. Our focus is on stories from Pakistan and around the world, while upholding impartiality, fairness, and objectivity. Having made our mark in the Pakistani media landscape, it is now imperative for us to address the importance of regional harmony. In an era of globalization, interconnectedness, and rapid information exchange, the world is witnessing profound shifts in political, economic, and social dynamics. In this context, the regions of Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and the neighboring states play a crucial role. These countries are not only geographically connected, but also share historical, cultural, and religious ties that bind them together. All these countries have very special place for Pakistan and its people. The aim of today's activity is firstly that dialogue serves as the cornerstone of building bridges between nations. Meaningful conversation, both at the diplomatic and grassroots levels, can lead to a deeper understanding of each other's concerns and aspirations. Through dialogue, misconception can be dispelled, trust can be nurtured, and mutual respect can be fostered. Secondly, we must acknowledge the importance of economic cooperation. Trade and investment have the power to drive growth, create jobs, and improve living standard in these regions. By enhancing economic ties, we can strengthen interdependence, incentivize collaboration, and open doors for greater opportunities and prosperities for all. Thirdly, the cultural exchange and people-to-people contacts play a pivotal role in fostering regional harmony. Culture is a powerful medium that transcends borders, languages, and ideologies. By promoting cultural understanding, appreciation, and respect, we can celebrate our diversity and build enduring bonds of friendship among our nations. As a digital news platform, we are committed to upholding the values of truth, integrity, and impartiality. We understand the power of information and its ability to shape perception and foster unity. We are dedicated to bringing forth stories that highlight the commonalities, strengths, and aspiration of the people of Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and other states. By doing so, we hope to contribute to the ongoing efforts of building regional harmony. To conclude, ladies and gentlemen, the road to regional harmony may be challenging, but it's a journey worth embarking upon. Together we can overcome our differences, embrace our commonalities, and work towards a future of peace, stability, and cooperation. Before I leave the podium, I must thank IPRI team and Ambassador Dr. Mohammad Raza for this very useful collaboration with News. I surely acknowledge their professional contribution for making this grand event possible. I am honored for all the worthy guests who have taken their precious time to make this event mutually rewarding for all of us. I thank you all. Thank you.